In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove VPN in Opera browser. If you've been using Opera's built-in VPN and you're ready to turn it off, maybe for faster browsing, to access local content, or just to simplify your setup, I'll walk you through it clearly and quickly. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. Make sure you're in a regular browsing window so you can see the main interface. On the left side of Opera, look for the sidebar. There you'll find the gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open Opera's Settings panel. If you don't see the sidebar, hover on the left edge of the window, or look for a small three dots icon to reveal it. Once it's visible, Settings will be right there. Inside Settings, scroll the left menu until you see VPN. Click VPN to open the section dedicated to Opera's built-in virtual private network. This is where Opera controls whether the VPN feature is active in your browser. Now, find the VPN option and toggle it off. When the switch is off, it will usually turn gray, and the VPN badge near the address bar will disappear once it's no longer active. That's your confirmation that Opera's VPN is disabled. From this point on, your traffic in Opera will connect through your normal internet connection without the added VPN layer. A couple of quick notes to keep everything clear. Turning off this switch only disables Opera's built-in VPN. It doesn't affect any separate VPN apps you might have installed on your computer. If a third-party VPN is still running, your connection could remain routed through that service. Also, disabling Opera's VPN can improve page load times and ensure websites show your true region, which helps with local search results and services. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same VPN section in Settings and toggle it back on. That's all there is to it. Open Opera, go to Settings, select VPN, and turn the VPN feature off. You're done.